Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abigail Domingo or you can call me Abby. So for today's video, as you can see naman sa ating video title, mag-share ako ng tips kung paano kayo magre-request ng reversal for the annual fee. So, ang ating topic is all about East-West since this is the second time nagre-request ako ng annual fee dito kay East West Visa. But it's a good thing na always naman siyang na-approve whenever na nagtatry ako mag-request ng reversal. It's just that na nakakalungkot compare with the other credit cards that I have. Most of them auto reversal and most of them kasi meron silang promo from the time na nag-activate ka ng card with the spending limits na pinrovide nila na you just have to accumulate within a certain period of time once na avail mo yon per lifetime na siya. So, dito kay Isis, wala silang promo nung time na yon or hindi lang ako aware, di ko matandaan kasi nga kusa lang 'tong dumating 'tong East-West na kasi 'di ba minsan yung mga agent, hindi lang isang card ang hawak nila, madami silang card kahit hindi naman yun yung specific na card na ina-applyan mo. So, going back to our topic, so kung paano ba ako um, reverse ng annual fee dito kay credit builder card. So, ano nga ba tong annual fee? So, just to give you an insight, what is annual fee? Annual fee is a lump sum that you have to pay every year that you sign up for certain credit card. So, ayun siya. Parang ito yung yearly, meron kang magbabayad ka ng annual fee depending sa credit builder card itself kung magkano yung annual fee nila. So, with the said card is West Visa, ayan, yun. 1.5 yung aking annual fee dito. So, sa first year, same option lang naman, na iba lang for the second year, which is a good thing kasi medyo na-stress ako kung paano ko i i-ano yung annual fee na to. Kasi, ito yon nag-email ako sa kanila, kay East West. Pa-provide ko yung email address ni East West credit builder card. Email. So, ito, you can email them at cards@eastwestbanker.com. Dito ako nag-email, guys, kasi wala akong panahon tumawag sa kanila, wala akong landline, and hindi ko alam kung may toll fee sila. Never ko pang na-try mag-toll fee. Though dito may number naman sila, 0917-888-1700. Ito yung number. So, you can try to call this number, guys. Ako lang talaga walang tiyaga kasi wala naman akong load. So, ayun na nga, nag-email ako sa kanila and nag-reply naman sila agad-agad. So, ito ang reply sa akin. Please be advised that the annual membership fee is a valid charge in exchange for the services and benefits of the card. However, since we value the relationship we have established with you, we may accommodate your request upon complying one of the following options. So, na-provide sila ng 3 options. So, this is for my second year kasi yung first year ko wala tong isa sa mga option na which is yun yung pinili ko para ma-avail ko yung no annual fee na to. So, the first option that they have, guys, is 100% reversal if you enroll any of your utilities such as Globe, Meralco, PLDT, Sky Cable, or Smart in our Quick Bills facility. So, gagawin niyo siya sa app or sa website. The second option is 100% reversal if you apply for a supplementary card. So that's the other option. And the third option, again, this is for this year, 100 reversal if you spend at least 6,000 single or accumulated. So from last year, wala tong accumulated na spending limit na pinrovide nila sa akin. It's a good thing kasi yung kapatid ko ay avail ng smart plan. Kumuha siya ng iPhone 14 Pro Max. And kinausap ko siya na i-enroll niya yung monthly subscription niya sa akin para ma-avail ko yung reversal. So, pumayag naman yung sister ko, syempre, 1 month to pay yun, di ba? So, ayun, na-reverse ko yung first year ko. So, ito na nga, dumating na nga yung pangalawang taon, which is every August ako, guys. Every August yung annual fee ko. Malalaman mo, guys, kung kailan ang annual fee mo dun sa valid true. Kung ano yung month na nakalagay doon, yun. So, akin, August, yun yung validity niya, August. So, August this year, dumating na siya kasama sa statement. And ayun na nga, may additional requirements na sila, which is 100 reversal if you spend at least 6,000 single or accumulated. Note that these offers are valid for 1 month only from August 30th, 2023 until September 30th, 2023. And let us know once you have decided so we may process your request. The processing will take 3 banking days and the status will be sent to you via SMS. So, ang ginawa ko naman dito, guys, ay syempre dun tayo sa madali lang ma-process na wala nang eme-eme pa, and that is the spending. You just have to spend of 6,000 lang. So it could be groceries or kung merong magpapa-installment sa inyo, guys. So, sa akin, good thing may nag-swipe sa akin ng unit, 'di ba? 6,000 lang yung hinihingi nila, guys. 30K yung in-swipe ko nung time na yon. So, sino sila dun sa part na yon, 'di ba? Kakaloka sila, charot. Ito lang talaga yung ano ko, eme ko kay kay Iswe. So, after ko ni-reply yung 100 reversal if you spend at least of 6,000 single or accumulated. So, ito na yung nangyari. Thank you for choosing the spending option. Please be informed that your preferred option of spending has been noted on your account for monitoring until September 30th, 2023. And once you've reached the required amount, your annual fee will be automatically reversed within 3 banking days and you will be notified through SMS for the status. So, which is true naman, guys, kasi after na nag-swipe ako ng cellphone nung araw na yon, after 3 business days, may nag-reply na talaga sa akin or may nag-send na sa akin ng message from East West. Andito kasi yung text sa cellphone na gamit ko sa video na to. Hindi ko mabasa. Pero ang sabi naman na congratulations, your 100% reversal has been approved na. So, lalabas siya or magno-notif yung reversal sa next statement ko, which is ano na ba ngayon? October 22nd. So, ang ginawa ko, for this month billing, di ko na binayaran yung annual fee kasi nga, ma-reverse naman siya on the second billing. And makikita naman nila yon na-reverse na. Ano yung hindi ko nabayaran. So, hindi naman ako na-charge for additional fees kasi parang lumalabas, hindi siya total amount due kasi may kulang 1.5. So, ginagawa ko siya sa ibang card ko. So far, so good naman. I don't encounter any additional interest for not paying the annual fee during that time or during the said billing. So, ayun lang naman, guys. ang masasabi ko or mabibigay kong tips sa inyo, always reach out first kay credit or sa bank para makapag-ask kayo ng options paano ma-reverse yung card bago nyo i-decide i-close. Kasi alam ko naman yung sentimiento nyo na 1.5 is 1.5, right? Ang laki din nun. Pero syempre, pasalamat tayo kasi nagagamit natin yung cards, 'di ba? Nang wala namang additional fees, anything at all. So, I'm going to have another set of video regarding kay East West, yung mga cons and um, pros dito sa card na to and paano ko siya in-avail. So, for this video, specifically lang talaga siya paano ko ni-reverse yung annual fee niya. So, if you have any other questions, comment lang kayo dyan sa ating comment sections. And also, just to add up, if ayaw mo na talaga, kasi you have the privilege naman to use the card for a year. And before siya annual fee, guys, I highly suggest na ipa-close mo na siya kung wala ka namang mga installment and zero balance naman ikaw, pwede mo ipa-close yung card. Mag-i-email ka lang sa kanila para hindi ka na magbabayad ng annual fee. Kasi, let's say, ito, August. So, around June or May or June, kung wala ka namang installment and na-charge ka na ma-charge ka na for the annual fee, around July, kailangan close na yung card mo para on the next billing, hindi na mag-o-occur yung annual fee na dapat mong bayaran. Kasi kailangan mo pa rin siyang bayaran. Kung hindi mo siya binayaran, bago mo siya tina-close, syempre, apektado yung credit score mo doon, guys. So, ayun lang naman. So, that's it for today's video. So, if you have more questions, you can always ping me or comment dyan lang, okay? So, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video at may natutunan naman kayo. And you can watch other credit card video ko sa aking channel. May playlist naman yung mga credit cards, okay? So, thank you for watching. Bye for now, guys.